Hey everyone, I've seen many students asking how to improve their understanding of poetry so that they can succeed on that part of the reading and writing section of the SAT. Here's a great first step. Search AP Literature and Composition past exam questions. There you'll find PDFs of recent AP Literature exams. Check out free response question number 1. It's always a poetry analysis prompt. Read the question and the poem. Then either write down informal notes about the poem or, even better, aim to answer the given prompt. You could write an essay in a Google Doc or you could jot some informal notes. Then, the best part is that this website includes examples of high scoring essays analyzing these poems written by real students. You want to look at the set of student essays and find the essay scored 141. That essay will accurately analyze the poem. Then check your interpretation against the model essay. The document also contains information about various valid interpretations of the poem, interpretations that can be supported by textual evidence. I'm working on a video for you about poetry on the SAT. What do you want to know about poetry on the SAT? Let me know in the comments below.